What's up, my Nilu family? Welcome back. And to those of you who are new to the channel, welcome to A Taste of Cafe Nilu, where everything is lip smacking, toe tapping good. Today I'm going to be making fried grits. I had grits from yesterday and they're left over, so that's what we're going to do. So don't throw away those leftover grits. Let's get this ball rolling. All right, first we're gonna start out with our seasonings. As you can see, I have a half a tablespoon of Tony Satchers, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm just gonna mix these well because I'm going to incorporate it in my wet and my dry batter. All right, so I'm gonna just set that aside. And now I have my eggs here, 2 eggs. I'm just gonna beat those lightly. Pour them in. And I like to add a little water, so this is about a tablespoon of water, just to help thin it out a little bit. I have my Panko Crumbs here, and I'm just gonna pour those in and kind of spread those out a bit. And I'm gonna take half of this mixture and put it in the egg mixture, and the other half in the dry mixture. Yeah. And make sure it's incorporated real good. And then we're just gonna mix it. All right, as you see, we still have quite a bit of grits left. So you don't wanna get rid of that. You can just cut it. And what's left, and you can make those into just strips, like that. You want to get as much as you can. All right, so let's start dredging our patties first. And of course, you know, you're just going to dip it on both sides. Making sure you get it coated on the sides as well. And then just dip it in the panko crust. And like I said, you can use these if you make shrimp and grits instead of the liquid grits. You can use fried grits. There's a restaurant here in Boudreaux's. Their shrimp and grits, the grits are fried. That was the first time I ever had fried grits. So of course, you know, I had to do it. And another recipe I have from Boudreaux's that was inspired from Boudreaux's is my sweet potato bread pudding. If you get a chance, check it out. It's much better than regular bread pudding. I'm not a fan of regular bread pudding, but I do eat the sweet potato bread pudding. It's very good. All right, so we have quite a few. I'm gonna continue to bread these, and then we're gonna get our grease going to fry them. And we're not using a lot of grease. We're just maybe using enough to fill the bottom portion of the skillet. And you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. All right, I've added a little canola oil just to fill the bottom of the skillet. And as you can see, I have a little bacon grease here, and I like to add that when I'm frying certain things to add a little flavor. Okay, so this is about a teaspoon. And that's gonna add so much flavor. All right, let's do our test here. Uh-oh. Looks like it's ready. See, that's not a lot of oil if you can kind of gauge by where the spoon is hitting the oil. It's not a lot at all. All right, let's get ready to put these in. Now be ready for popping because it's gonna be a lot of popping. And I'm doing my patties. Those in that right there. It's a lot of popping going on. And it's not just, it's the grits that pop so much, so be careful. All right, let's check it out. It's been a couple minutes. And let's see. Yeah, it looks brown on the bottom. And then you just proceed to flip them all over. They're still popping on the other side. And that's the grits as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the others and I'll be back. These beautiful babies are ready, and what I'm gonna do is drain them on a grated pan, and then it's gonna be time to chow down, baby. Right, I'm gonna show you guys how the crunch is on these. This is the stick. Now I must tell you that the taste of the actual grits is going to be determined by the type of grits that you make. If they're not flavorful, they're not going to taste good. This is delicious with breakfast. Again, you can take this and make shrimp and grits. Instead of your grits being liquefied, they can be solid and crunchy. They're so good. You got to try them out. But until next time, be blessed and always love and give love. God bless you.